102 teachers in a school of 3,300 students. Find the ratio of the number of teachers to the number of students. Okay, so first one you have to know that how many teachers. First you have to write, so teachers, how many persons are there? 102. So teachers 102. So next one, in the school of 3,000 students, so 3,300 students. So student strength is, so total students, so total teachers, total students, you have to write total students, students. Okay, so total students how much? 3,300. Okay, 3,300 students. Okay, so what they asked, find the ratio to the number of teachers to number of students. So teachers to number of students they asked. Okay, so this one they asked. Okay, first one we have to write here. So teachers, so teachers first you have to write, and the students here. Okay, so teachers and the students. So 102 teacher is to here number of students 3,300. Okay, so first one we have to know that 102 is to 3,300 means we can able to written as 102 divided by 3,300. Okay, so first we have to check that which table it can be divided. Okay, so first one, okay, here I will take that third table. See here, 10 is there, no? So 5 2s are, sorry, 2 table also will divide, and third table also will divide. So anyway I will starting from the third table. So 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So 10 minus 9 remaining 1, that 1 will have to combine with the 2, so 12 will become. So 12, how many 3s are 12? 4 3s are 12. Okay, and here 1 3s are 3, here 1 3s are 3, and that 0 we can write. So 1,100. Okay, and any other table it can divide. Okay, so we can divide by 2 table, we can divide. Okay, so 1 2s are 2, remaining 2, sorry, remaining 1, here 1 it will combine with that 4, so 7 2s are 14. So here 5 2s are 10, remaining 1, that 1 will combine with this 0, so 5 2s are 10, so 550. Okay, so 550 it will come, students. And okay, so 17 by 550, any other table which can divide, just check it. So 17 by 550. So if you think any other number which cannot divide that numerator and denominator both, so 17 by 550, so that's the ratio. So 17 by 550 we can able to written as 17 is to 550. So this is your answer. So this is the ratio between the teachers to students. Okay, so okay, that is that 9th question over. And 10th question, we are going to moving to the 10th question. Okay, so first one, in a college of out of 4,320 students, so out of total number of students, so total students, so we have to write total students. What is the given data? First you have to write that first. So total number of students 4,320. Okay, 4,320 students, and among these 2,300 are girls. So total girls, here I have to write total girls. So total girls, here we have to write 2,300. So total 2,300. And find the ratio of number of girls to total number of students. That's the first question. And the second question is number of boys to that number of girls. So we have to find the number of boys. Okay, so number of boys, that means total number of boys, we have to find the total boys. So total boys, how to find the total boys? So when we subtract from the total number of students to total number of girls, means we can find the total number of boys. So subtract it. So here 2 minus 0 2, and 3 minus 3 0, and 4 minus 2 here 2. Okay, so 2020. So 2020 is the total number of boys. Now we know that actually we knew that total number of students and total girls, total boys. Okay, so anyway, so first question, moving to the first question, number of girls to that number of students. So number of girls, so first one we have to write total number of girls. Here you have to write and total number of students. Okay, so what is that ratio between that? So girls is as we what's they given 2300, and what is that? Find total number of students. Total number of students 4320. Am I right? Okay, so we have to find that ratio between these two, 2300 to 2000 4320. So 2300 divided by 4320. So 0 0 cancel. So any other table, first starting from 2 table we can divide. So here 1 2s are 2. Okay, so 1 2s are 2. Here 3 1 2s are 2. Remaining 3 minus 2 1, that 1 will combine with this 0. So 5 2s are 10, 115. And here what is about this one? 2 2s are 4 and 1 2s are 2. Remaining 1, that 1 will combine to that 2. So 12 will become. So 6 2s are 12. Okay, so any other table, just check it. Any other table will come or not? So 115 divided by 216, any other table means if you check it means it will not divide. Okay, so we have to leave it here. So 115 divided by 216, so this can be able to written as 115 is to what is that, is to see here, okay, 216. So this is the ratio between that girls to ratio between that students. Okay, so anyway, next question is actually number of boys to number of girls. So we know that total number of students 4320 and the total number of girls 2300, and what is that thing is, so 2020, right? 2020 is that number of boys. So what they asked, boys to number of girls. So boys here and girls, boys and girls. So first one, boys we have to write 2020, no, 2020, and the girls is 2300. So 2300. So that is that ratio. So we have to write 2020 divided by 2300. So we can cancel it this one, and any other table we can divide. It means yes, the possible is 2 table. So 1 2s are 2, here 0 and 1 2s are 2. Next one here, what is the thing is 1 2s are 2 and 15 2s are 13. So 115. So 115, any other chance is there? Any other table it will come means both number it will not divide. So leave it here. So 101 divided by 115 is that exact ratio. So 101 divided is to 115. Okay, so this is that ratio between that two. Okay students, okay. So the next thing is one more question they asked, number of boys to total number of students. Okay, the next option is C option, C subdivision. What they asked, the number of boys to number of students. So number of boys, so boys to number of students. So boys to students, what is that ratio? Okay, so first one we have to know that boys, we know that 2020, and 2020 is to students, number of students is actually 4320. Okay, 4320. So if we find that ratio between the two, 2020 divided by 4320. Okay, so this 10 10 cancel, and the remaining you have to divide it. 1 2s are 2 and here 0 and 1 divided by here 2 2s are 4 and that 16 2s are 32. No, so any other possible is there means any other table will not come. So 101 is to 216. So this is that correct answer. So 101 is to 216. Okay, so this is that answer for this question. Okay students, so we'll move to that 11th question. Okay, question number 11. Okay, question number 11, it will be very easy. So question number 11, I will give homework. So I will say the clue how to do it. Okay, so totally I give 2 questions now. So now onwards homework questions. So first one, you have to know that out of 1800 students in a school, 700 opted basketball, 800 opted cricket, remaining opted table tennis. So you have to know that basketball count they given, cricket they count they given, but table tennis they didn't give. So first you have to find the table tennis. So how to find means first total number of students in a school means 1800. So 1800 total number of students, and what's called basketball and what is that, cricket. So 750, so you have to add it 750 and 800. Okay, so 800 you have to add it, and 1550. Okay, so 1550 when you subtract from these two means we will get that what is the thing is how many persons are opted for tennis. Okay, and the question is what they asked, the first one, the number of students who opted basketball to that students who opted table tennis. So now we found the table tennis count. You have to find that one and you have to relate with that. Okay, what is that basketball students and what is that table tennis students, you have to find the ratio. And the same way you have to find that cricket to basketball and basketball to total number of students. Okay, so same way in the previous problem how I did, same like you can do it. Okay, question number 12 I'm going to do that. Question number 12. So cost of a dozen pen is 180 and cost of 8 ball pen is 56. So find the ratio of that cost of a pen and cost of that ball pen. Okay, first one we have to know that 1 dozen. So 1 dozen, that means how much actually? So 1 dozen means 12 parts. Okay, 1 dozen means 12. So cost of 1 dozen pen is 180. So okay, so 1 dozen pen is, so 1 dozen pen total cost is 180 rupees. So that means 12 pen is, which is equal to 12 pen is equal to 180 rupees. So that means 1 pen you have to find. So 1 pen means, so 12 pen 180 rupees means 1 pen means that's 12 will go down, that means it will come division. So we have to write 180 divided by 12. Okay, so 180 divided by 12. So 180 divided by 12. So what is that answer? You can divide it means what answer will come? Okay, so if you know the 12th table means you can divide it 12th table directly. Otherwise we can divide it any other table, 6 table. Okay, 2 6 are 12 and 3 6 are 18. So that 0 you can write. So 1 2s are 2, 15 2s are 30. Okay, so 15 divided by 1 we can written as 15 is to 1. Okay, 15 is to 1. Okay, so we found that in terms of ratio 15 is to 1, but what they asked, they didn't ask that ratio of this dozen to what is that cost. They asked to, actually they asked here pen, that cost of pen to cost of ball pen. Okay, so now we know that 1 pen rupee is 15. Okay, so 1 pen which is equal to 15 rupees. Okay, so 15 rupees. Okay, so remember this one. And next to one, 8 ball pen. So this is that normal pen and 8 ball pen. So 8 ball pen is 56. So cost of 8 ball pen. So 8 ball pen which is equal to 56 rupees. Okay, 56 rupees. So 1 ball pen means, 1 ball pen. So 1 ball pen which is equal to 56 divided by 8. So 1 8s are 8. 7 8s are 56. Okay, so 1 ball pen which is equal to 7 rupees. Now the thing is actually what they asked means what is that ratio between that normal pen to this ball pen. Okay, so that normal pen 1 pen rupees, how much we found? 15, right? Am I right? Okay, so 15 is to what is the thing is that ball pen we found 7. So 15 is to 7 we can written as that means 15 is to 7. So 15 divided by 7. So 15 divided by 7 means there is no other table will come. So simply we can leave it. So 15 is to 7 is that right answer. Okay. So what question they asked, based on that we have to find it. Here they asked pen to ball pen. Okay. So ball pen 8 ball pen is 56 means 1 ball pen you have to find. Same way 12 pen is 180 rupees means 1 pen you have to find. So 15 is to 7. So no other table it will come. So 15 is to 7 is the right answer. Okay students, so In the next class, we will do that remaining problems. Anyway, if you know means we can do that 13th and 14, 15, 16 problem and all. Okay. So anyway, what is the thing is actually 15th and 16th problem. If you know how to do it means we can do that 15th and 16th problem. Okay. So thank you students. We will see in that next slide. Okay students, this is the today's class. I hope you all understand, and in the upcoming class we will do that remaining problems. So anyway, so in today video, what are the things we have discussed means you have to know that they gave total number of students and some particular they given, and what will be the remaining that you have to find. So with that, how to find that ratio. When you are going to find that ratio, you have to know that which are the tables it will come, that both numerator and denominator. Okay students, so I hope you all understand. So anyway, we will see in that next session. So thank you all. Thank you. So once again, we will meet in that next session. Thank you.